Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp call sound problem. So first, just open your settings of your phone and here you will find many options. Open here just your apps option and search for WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp and come directly to your storage and here we have two options. Click on clear cache, go back then, click on force stop, click here OK. Right now you need to come to your Play Store or App Store, update your WhatsApp on the last version if it is available, restart your phone now, and after this you will see that your problem being solved. That's all, don't forget to like and subscribe.